So you guys know, this ain't no tea in second race. What is up, guys? So today we're gonna fix Silvestre's car. His springs, I don't know if you guys remember, they're torched, they don't work. So he got lowering springs and they came in, so we're gonna try and install them today. So let's do that, but first, I'm hungry. So let's go get some food. I got Taco Bell. You guys want some? Oh shit, oops. You want some? Pretty much just waiting for Silvestre. Once he gets here, we'll install the springs. So until then, I'm gonna eat some Taco Bell. Yes, he's here. I ain't get to finish, but okay, that's cool. Let's go see him.
Yo, I thought I forgot the other strut, but I didn't.
Nice.
You know what I found out today? The back
Speakers don't work?
No, the back springs.
What? They don't fit?
No, these ones that are already on here, they're not burnt. They're not like the fronts. They're just cut a little bit. I mean, you can still move them, but they're not like squished.
Well, look at them though. I mean, we're gonna change them anyways. Might as well.
The back ones are fat as fuck.
The back ones, the front ones should be.
Or the whatever. Yeah.
Yeah, that looks like the back.
Yeah, that's the back. I meant the front. Yeah. But these are fat as shit.
Yeah, dude.
I like them.
You're still gonna bounce a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Not as much.
Oh, fuck no, not as much.
How does that make you feel, dude?
I'm excited.
You must be depressed.
Oh yeah, so depressed. Fuck. Can't almost bounce into traffic.
Yeah, you can't fly over railroad tracks.
Yeah, I miss those days, man. But it's okay. It's stability.
Yeah. Alright, now we just gotta pick up that tool from AutoZone, and then he won't bounce as much, and that's a little sad for me, and I'm sure for him it's heartbreaking. Alright, so here's what we're installing today. Front struts, front lowering springs, and then rear lowering springs. Or we're gonna see what condition the rear struts are in, and that'll determine whether or not we replace them too. We just know that the fronts are out for sure, and the rears honestly are probably out too. But you know, just we'll see. But I fucking bet they're pretty bad. And here was the missing piece to the puzzle. The one tool that we did not have for this install. You just twist this and that starts to move down and it compresses it that way. Well, actually this one moves, but you know, same shit. So a little tip, don't take off a spring without using the fucking tool for it. Because unless it's torched and you can already move it around, then that's fine. Or just cut, same shit, if you can already move it, that's fine. If it's intact and you're just replacing it, then don't just take it off without the tool, because it's under a lot of pressure. The second that anything leaves any room to give, it's gonna give, and it's gonna fucking, it's gonna be bad, dude. So just a little tip, don't do that. Don't, you'll thank me later. So he's just got to take out these three on the top, and then these two right there.
Okay, now it's fucking.
And then this little bracket holding the brake line we got to take off, and then the strut should come out. And then we could take the spring off, and we don't need the tool for this one, but we will need the tool to put the lowering spring on. There you go. Alright, got these two out. Now, just gotta get these three out. Let's go, dude, let's go. Alright, let's put you over here. No. Because those are the only things holding the strut up right now.
Oh, that's right.
I guess we need light. Get in there. Awesome light. All right. Oh, you got it? Oh, there it is.
Oh, out B?
Shit.
You is out B? Now. They put...
Yeah, it's a nut.
Yeah, they put some shit there.
That's grease, dude. Eat it, dude. Let me wipe it back on here. Is that the right... Dude, your socket won't fit.
Hell yeah, it does.
It's the wrong fucking pattern.
Dude, fuck you.
That's too big. I think you got it. You look in, there you go.
Hey man, dude, kill yourself.
Now we can throw that away. We're not using that.
What?
The strut and spring. We're done with that.
Oh right, that's true.
Fuck out of here, dude. Get out of here.
We just need the mount. Haha.
Yeah, dude. Oh, dude. I had no idea you were a rotary.
Fuck, dude, put the shit back in, man.
Dude, is that why you're burning oil?
This is how it should go. Like that. So don't do it like this. Because it's gonna be like that fucking way. So. Alright. So now get the compressor.
You could take the spring off of it to compress it. It'll be easier. You just don't have to hold the strut up. Alright, got this one done. Alright guys, so that's how you did it. You just compress the spring. Well, first you take the old one off. We got the old one right here. It had a boot here, and it had another plate here that holds the spring, and then it had a plate on top of that that bolts into the shock tower. Take all those off, transfer those to the replacement strut, compress the spring, put the spring on, put all the shit back on, tighten the nut at the top, and then uncompress the spring, and then put it back on the car. And that's pretty much it. So now we just got to do it to the rest, and then, you know, we're good. Okay guys, so finished. Got the front new struts and lowering springs in. We'll do the back ones later. Right now we're not worried about that. The fronts were a little more important because we already had the struts. He still has to get the struts for the rears. But anyways, it's all good. It's all good now. So yeah. So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.